Hi, my name is Patrick Garcia, VP of Innovation for SRS Distribution. We are a family of industry-leading independent roofing distributors in North America. We have about 276 locations in 43 states. My team is accountable for innovation, application development, data integration, and business intelligence. So technology adoption in the roofing space is a bit of a challenge. A lot of our customers still run their business on pen, paper, and whiteboard. And to introduce them to technology, we had to create a solution where it provided information to them that mattered to them, running their business and using that as a means to introduce them to technology. The biggest challenge for SRS at that time was we didn't have any integration platforms, which means we didn't have any integration developers. So it was the first time for me convincing a front-end developer, specifically .NET developers, to develop on MuleSoft. So we knew right away we're going to need a great implementation partner that will be patient with our development team as they ramp up on their MuleSoft experience. So we kicked off our MuleSoft implementation with AVIO, starting with 10 specific use cases we had in mind. The intent of which was to show our development team the different patterns of developing MuleSoft APIs. So hopefully as these patterns unfold and AVIO helps us with the best practices on how to implement them, our development team will then start to take that over. And as we went from month 1, month 2 to month 3, AVIO then will reduce the time that they would spend implementing the APIs and slowly transitioning that to the development team after that. So for us to work with a partner for the first 3 months and then take it over and take it to completion after another 3 months is a feat in itself. Now we would tap into AVIO if we needed staff aug services in case some of our demand exceeded what we could do in the timeline required. We had one event wherein we had to, move some of our developers to supporting the MuleSoft infrastructure because, some of our APIs were not responding as they should. And this is when AVIO reached out to me about, possibly managing the services we had on MuleSoft. And knowing that we were limited on resources and the fact that every time they would have to deal with infrastructure and debugging and monitoring, that means that's less resources doing development. So we jumped on the managed services capabilities of AVIO right out of the gate. Our performance on our API skyrocketed. The team then could focus completely on new API development, and as we iterated on our different phases of the implementation, we never had to bother about the infrastructure. The top 3 reasons why I picked AVIO was clearly the expertise on MuleSoft, and the fact that they came highly recommended by MuleSoft is a testament to that, especially us being a new client, and they wanted to make sure we succeeded as well. Recommending a partner like AVIO is going to be key to that long-term relationship. The other one is honestly the managed services capability. We've been really, really happy with that. And the third one is definitely the relationship we've built with them throughout this last year and a half of our MuleSoft implementation. In fact, we've constantly reached to AVIO and asked them if they've, have expertise in new areas that we're trying to implement as well. They've been such a great partner that just having them consistently as part of our innovation roadmap is going to lead to our success.